High Performance Fastening Systems is a manufacturer of special and proprietary cold-headed fasteners. Both our plant and our warehouse are located in Bensenville, Illinois, right next to O'Hare International Airport. High Performance has been in business since 1989, and we have been part of the MW Industries family since 2014. We supply the automotive, agricultural, and general industrial markets globally with precision engineered threaded fasteners, starting at number 4 through 1/2 inch in diameter up to 6 inches in length. We are also a licensed manufacturer for Phillips Screw Company and MAThread products. Both our engineering and manufacturing departments are standing by to assist you with all your application design needs, and our customer service team is here when you need us.
Hi, my name is Justin Nola, and I'm the Engineering and Quality Manager here at High Performance. A couple of important products that we provide for our customer is the licensed MAThread and Phillips Square Drive. These are highly engineered products that helps in the assembly of the fastener. The MAThread is the misalignment accommodating thread that provides increase in efficiency in installation. It helps in guiding the screw into its mating part with ease. It prevents cross-threading, camming out, and things like that. So the MAThread is utilized by the automotive industry. GM, Fiat, Chrysler, and Mercedes Benz have used the MAThread as their standard. Other industry can utilize this product as well. They can benefit from it. The industry from medical, aerospace, heavy equipment, consumer product, appliance industry can also use this product as well. Also, the other product that we provide, it's a proprietary item, is the Phillips Square Drive. This is a highly engineered product as well. This helps with cam out, reduces scrap and rework upon installation. This is, it also has a stick fit where the operator has control, where you can assemble the product into its mating part with single-handed, where the part doesn't fall off. So at High Performance, we also have a fully equipped final and QA lab. We do inspection on an optical comparator, and also we have a precise instrument that does gauging TIR, concentricity. We also have Rockwell hardness test equipment that we check our product with. So at High Performance, we are always looking to improve our capability. One of the items that we acquired recently was the NP81 heading machine. This is a 2-die 3-blow machine that can run intricate parts that increases our capability. High Performance has 2 optical sorting machines in-house. This helps decrease lead time and also provide the service to our customer in a more controlled environment. So here at High Performance, we pride ourselves in our engineering support to our customer. These are the services that we provide to our customer at no additional cost. We help design the product to where it's efficient on the machine, which eventually will save money for our customer.